Turnaround open jaw journey code is TOJ. When passenger is taking the surface at the destination point is called as turnaround open jaw journey. जब यात्री जहां से जहां जा रहा है डेस्टिनेशन पॉइंट वहां अगर सरफेस लेता है तो उसे टर्न अराउंड ओपन जॉ जर्नी कहते हैं. कोड TOJ fares one way or half hourly fares, direction reverse direction, and there is no check involved in turnaround open jaw journey. Asuncion, Tripoli, Surface, Benghazi, Cairo, Asuncion. Asuncion, Tripoli, Surface, Benghazi, Cairo, Asuncion. First we'll identify the areas. सबसे पहले इसके areas identify करते हैं. Asuncion is in Paraguay area 1, Tripoli, Libya area 2, Benghazi, Libya area 2, Cairo, Egypt area 2, Asuncion, Paraguay area 1. In this, our passenger is traveling from area 1 to area 2 and coming back to area 1. इस journey में passenger area 1 से area 2 जा रहा है और area 1 वापस आ रहा है. तो बीच में ये जहां जा रहा है वहां सरफेस ले रहा है. At the destination point, he is taking the surface. That's why the answer for this journey will be TOJ, turn around open jaw. Phnom Mumbai, Toronto, Surface, Chicago, Colombo, Phnom Penh. Phnom Penh, Mumbai, Toronto, Surface, Chicago, Colombo, Phnom Penh. First we'll identify the areas. सबसे पहले इसके areas identify करते हैं. Phnom Penh is in Cambodia, area 3. Mumbai is in India, area 3. Toronto, Canada, area 1. Chicago, USA, area 1. Colombo, Sri Lanka, area 3. Phnom Penh, Cambodia, area 3. This journey is starting from area 3 going to area 1. Passenger is going to area 1 and coming back to area 3. ये journey area 3 से शुरू हो रही है. एरिया 1 में पैसेंजर जा रहा है, फिर एरिया 3 वापस आ रहा है और जहां जा रहा है वहां he is taking the surface. At the destination point he is taking the surface here. So the answer for this journey will be TOJ. Answer इस journey का होगा TOJ, turn around open jaw. Washington, Vienna, Geneva, Surface, Zurich, Sofia, Washington. Washington, Vienna, Geneva, Surface, Zurich, Sofia, Washington. First we'll identify the areas. सबसे पहले areas identify करते हैं. Washington is in USA, area 1. Vienna is in Austria, area 2. Geneva, Switzerland, area 2. Zurich, Switzerland, area 2. Sofia, Bulgaria, area 2. Washington, USA, area 1. Our passage is starting from area 1 traveling to area 2 and coming back to area 1. इस जर्नी में पैसेंजर एरिया 1 से एरिया 2 जा रहा है और फिर वापस एरिया 1 आ रहा है, और जहां जा रहा है डेस्टिनेशन पॉइंट पे ही इज टेकिंग द सरफेस बिटवीन जिनेवा एंड ज़ुरिक. The answer for this journey will be TOJ, turn around, open jaw. Port Vila, Barcelona, Albog, Surface, Gothenburg, Athens, Port Vila. Port Vila, Barcelona, Albog, Surface, Gothenburg, Athens, Port Vila. First we'll identify the areas. सबसे पहले इसके areas identify करते हैं. Port Vila is in Vanuatu area 3, Barcelona is in Spain area 2, Albog is in Denmark area 2, Gothenburg Sweden area 2, Athens Greece area 2, Port Vila Vanuatu area 3. This journey is starting from area 3, traveling to area 2 and coming back to area 3. ये journey जो है area 3 से शुरू हो रही है, area 2 में हमारा पैसेंजर जा रहा है और फिर area 3 वापस आ रहा है. बट जहां जा रहा है he is taking the surface between Albog and Gothenburg. And both these cities are in the area 2. ये दोनों cities जो area 2 में है, that means he is taking the surface at the destination. ये surface जो है destination point पे ले रहा है. That's why the answer for this journey will be TOJ, turn around, open jaw. Panama City, Miami, Stockholm, Surface, Oslo, Mexico City, Panama City. Panama City, Miami, Stockholm, Surface, Oslo, Mexico City, Panama City. First we'll identify the areas. सबसे पहले इसके areas identify करते हैं. Panama City is in Panama area 1, Miami is in USA area 1, Stockholm Sweden area 2, Oslo Norway area 2, Mexico City Mexico area 1, Panama City Panama area 1. Now this journey is starting from area 1, traveling to area 2 and coming back to area 1. ये journey area 1 से शुरू हो रही है, area 2 जा रहा है और फिर उसके बाद area 1 आ रहा है. And he is taking the surface at the destination point because Stockholm and Oslo both are in area 2. Stockholm और Oslo दोनों cities area 2 के अंदर है. इसका मतलब वो destination point में surface ले रहा है. He is taking the surface at the destination point. That's why the answer for this journey will be TOJ, turn around, open jaw.